All right, hey guys, and welcome to Forex, your trading group. I'm Mark, aka Cram, and my partner is Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer: we're not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that: we are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money. So if any of y'all, anyone at all, is looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, straight up, guys, you're in the wrong stream. Okay, we're purely an educational channel. We teach you guys about these markets and we trade live in front of you guys, and then it's up to y'all whether you'll want to be taking those trades or not. Okay, so that's another disclaimer. We're not financial advisors. Okay, any trades that you take upon yourself. And please, guys, don't be like the retail traders. Don't be risking more than 0.5% or 1% on any given trade at any given time. Okay, now that we've got all of that out of the way, give me a second. I'm just making some adjustments to my chart. YouTube is up and running. And let's go. I'm going to share my screen with you all now. Okay, let me know when y'all see my screen. Yes, thank you, Kyle. Good morning, everyone. Hope you're having a good day. Oh yeah, DAX was the move today, you guys. 150 pip move. One hell of a day. Okay, look at that. The dirty is breaking past. I'm sorry, I should have seen this chart. It's looking good. I'm gonna make a little bit of an adjustment here because we currently are building into this whole zone. Okay, so let's see if we want to break up above that and get our move. Okay, and possibility 800. Okay, coming into a little level of support over here as well. We're going to see how price reacts around this. Okay, then maybe we'll look to short this market. But again, these are impulses. These are quick scalps in and out. These are not going to be your BOS. Okay, I like the bias coming in over here though. Let's look for some potential buys up there. If you're comfortable trading that zone, it's about 25, 30 pips. If not, wait for the break or the rejection. Okay, and let's look at NASDAQ to push down like that. Again, 25, 30 pip zone going both ways. And Goldilocks, as y'all can see, small zone over here, small fill. 21 pips, it's up to y'all if you want to try to cash that. Cash that. Sorry, I got carried away for a second. That's what my wife does to me. But we could look at something like that. Okay, and then maybe push even higher. And let's look for the short positions somewhere here. Okay, guys, stick around. I have some announcements to make. Our private sessions have started, so we've got a lot that we're offering you guys right now. Stick around till the end of the stream, and we'll take 5 minutes to talk about everything that we have been working on for you guys, and everything that y'all can avail from us here at Forex Trading. Okay, so make sure to stick around today. Cool. So we're ranging within our supply on the US 30. All we need is that break. I like that break coming in, so be mindful, you guys. Nice little buys that could be stepping in as well, guys. Please stop annotating on my screen. I would really appreciate that. Okay, break that high. Maybe push a little higher. Solid trend. That's now pulling through on both the US 30 and on NASDAQ. Okay, let's see. I am going to quickly open up today's smart report. So give me a second. I sent some snippets of it for London. Let's get some added confirmation based off of the strategy we use through AI. Okay, let's get it. Okay, so let's take a look at gold. We're currently ranging within the 1855 region. Okay, so we've pushed up pretty high. Um, Solid resistance that's going to be coming within that 58-59 region. Okay, so these buys may or may not happen as of now, but you're going to have to take a look at it and see how price wants to react. Okay, so we're going to wait for price to break the 86 region, so you could start to look at some from, give me a second. Okay, some from this region itself, but our bigger break of structure is going to be up above there. Okay, and if we happen to break that 50, the 52, this 50 region, obviously if you break the 52, you're moving down to at least the 50, and then if we happen to break more, we could have a good a solid drop. Okay, a solid drop coming in from there, so let's be mindful of that. Watch for Nasdaq. Watch for US 30. My bad. Y'all can't see my screen, guys? Can someone please confirm? Okay. Thank you. Thank you, guys. Okay. I feel like we could get that break and push higher. It does look good. Okay. Based off of the smart reports, I have a nice TP level for you guys. At here. And then we're looking all the way at 227. Okay, so we're looking at this region. Yes, guys, check the Discord and please stick around, wait for 5 minutes. Give me 5 minutes and we'll talk about everything. Okay, let's get done with market open. We've got lots that we have in store for you. The private sessions are going to be classroom styled. We're going to have about, we're still deciding, 5 to 7 people per session. And we're going to also be doing weekly workshops. I want to put that out there for everyone that's on the private mentorship program, on the one on ones, right? So for you guys, this is going to be beneficial for you all as well, because whilst there's going to be a curriculum that we also follow on the private sessions, Cash and I are weekly going to be doing workshops as well. What do I mean by workshops? I mean, we'll pick up a topic, say um, the MACD. Okay, we pick up the MACD and we break it down. We see how we use it and how it we could apply it to trading, whatever the style is. Okay, and then say for instance, another week we pick up Bookmap, or we pick up the RSI, we pick up the Fibonacci, we do whatever, but we'll continue to do those weekly as well. So you'll definitely have things that we're not covering on the one on ones, because you all know the one on ones, it is a banger of a curriculum. So I like to leave that untouched, and everything outside of the one on ones is going to be on the private sessions. So, all my OG traders, you guys that are already part of the one on ones, make sure you guys hop on to the private sessions as well, because that's going to be beneficial to y'all too. Okay? Don't be in the misconception that if you've come through the one-on-ones, you don't need to hop on to the private sessions, because that's not what we have in mind. We're not trying to give you guys repetitive content. What we're trying to do is we're trying to diversify and expand, just like we're diversifying with the smart reports. So what are the smart reports? It's pretty freaking crazy, and I am super, super excited about it, because I feel that this is going to be the change that we need. We've been scalping these markets in front of y'all for a year, one whole year. Okay, we do this live for y'all, but now we're going to use our price action analysis not just for scalping, but also for trading on the longer time frame. By longer term time frame, I mean the 60-minute time frame. So irrespective of whether we understand you're busy, we understand that you guys working and all of that good stuff, and it's not always possible to get onto the streams. irrespective, you're going to have our analysis for the rest of the day. So we're going to give you guys buys, we're giving y'all sells, we're giving y'all reasoning behind it. So we're not like these others that tell y'all to buy or sell. Abhi X, I literally just said, we're not like the others that tell y'all to buy or sell. Okay? We find our zones and we look for potential opportunities that come in. Right now on the group, no one's in a trade. The reason no one's in a trade is because we're waiting for market open to play out. Okay? So we make educated decisions in these markets. Let's be realistic and let's make money the right way. Okay? Great. A lot of you guys got the smart reports today. Are you guys on here? I hope it was beneficial for y'all. Dax absolutely nailed it. Um, I want to know if you guys used the smart reports because Cash and I most certainly did. 92 people, 93 people. Awesome. Love it. Love it. You guys never stop. You never stop learning, guys. Thank you so much, Space. That's our whole ideology. We're here to get better. We don't believe we're the best because we truly are not. But what I can promise you guys is we have the will to become the best, and we'll always chase being the best. You guys haven't been active for a while. What's the AI thing you're talking about? So we have a team that's working with us with one of the biggest brokers in the UAE, and they're working towards something called smart reports, which is basically our analysis on the higher time frame. And yeah, we're trying to get that for you guys. Quick question: any other payment methods for group sessions other than crypto? Nobody for now, and most likely for the next couple of weeks. It is going to be through crypto. We're in different parts of the world, and it's not the easiest thing to build a business when you're in different continents. Okay, so we're working towards it, but for now, crypto is the only mode of payment. Okay. All right, guys, we have a minute and a half to market open. What do you guys want me to have open? Do you all want me to have NASDAQ or US 30 or gold? Quick, guys. We've got a minute to go. Minute and a half. Dirty, dirty, dirty. I see some dirty and I see some gold. Okay. Let's get dirty and gold. Watch for that. I'm not in on any trades myself right now. Okay. So I'm going to switch this to gold and I'm going to switch this to NASDAQ. Okay. Look at that. We're breaking past. Be careful, you guys. Okay. Don't get greedy. It looks extremely delicious right now. I get that. I have a buy stop that's set up for US 30, and that's if it wants to break this level up here, all right, the 50s. If we happen to break that, I'm gonna get triggered in. Not a very big position, but I'm gonna get in on the impulse. Okay. If not, we're gonna look for the sells. Okay, 30 seconds to go. I hope none of y'all are in any sort of trades. We can look to buy this. Okay. 10 seconds to go for market open. Let's have a good one, you guys. Please don't go too crazy. Use the right risk management, all right? This is market open, guys. Okay, let's see if they want to respect that or if they start to plummet to the downside. Okay, I'm in on a position, small position on NASDAQ. On NASDAQ over here. Okay, small position, nothing too big. I'm going to set this up to break even real quick because I don't want to be caught in anything. That's what I meant. This is the reason I told y'all. Look at the 50 region for any sort of orders, okay? Now let's see if this is going to end up being a liquidity grab or if the move is actually bearish. Okay, Nasdaq as well. I got stopped out at break even. I was just in with $5 a pip, ran for a couple of pips and then stopped out at break even. Okay. All right, they're tanking. Anyone in on these sells? Looks like we're coming down to demand. I'm gonna wait for price to close because, like you guys know, my bias was towards the buys. Um, but yeah, I'm just gonna wait for price to close, give me some confirmation, a retest, a rejection, and then maybe I'm gonna get in on the sales. Okay, but I'm just watching for now. Okay, Nasty is still trying. Gold trying to make its move as well. Is anyone in on any sort of trades right now, you guys? Anyone in on any trades? I haven't checked YouTube. What's up, YouTube? How's it going? Where do you go live, sir? Shubham, we go live on Zoom and here on YouTube. Okay, look at gold starting to push. Nasdaq indecision. Can I buy gold? It's up to you, brother. You can buy gold when it closes, retest, rejects, and push, or you can buy gold right now as well. It depends on your risk management and how you trade these markets. In on gold. All right, Jashan, good for you. Good for you. Make that money and make sure you're liquidating your position as well. I am currently not in on anything, guys. No trades for Cram so far. Let's watch. Even though gold looks good. We're trying to hit TP. Listen, guys, if you're making some money over here, liquidate and leave a runner. 16 pips is not bad at all. Okay? We're trying to hit TP. Getting rejected on the US 30 and Nasdaq again starting to push up. I'm going to wait for a candle to close in the next 2 minutes and see if anything closes in our box. Okay? Guys, quick question for the ones that have signed up for the private sessions, right? For you guys, what's going to be the first week's workshop that you guys what topic would you guys want me to pick for the first workshop that we do? Okay, look at that. Nasdaq starting to push. I shouldn't have stopped myself out, but it's all good. Come on, 83 people on here, and is no one interested in the workshops? I know we have a few people that have already signed up. If you guys are on the stream, this question is mainly directed to you guys. Any analysis on GU? Well, I haven't charted it up, but I have a smart report over here, which I can share with you. So give me a second. Lenny, have you been enjoying the smart reports, bro? All right, GU on the 16 minutes. Okay, so you have a buy scenario at 1.212 with a target price of 1.2223, and you have an alternative scenario where you want to sell GU at 1.2069 and target 1.1969. The overall trend in the morning pre London has been to the downside. Okay, and what you're going to be looking for is you want to be trading above your line of support and the 9 and the 200 moving average and look for a potential crossover between the 9 and the 200, giving you a golden cross, and also the RSI to show you some bullish indication. Okay. All right. Close, retest, rejection. Watch for it. The wick fill might come. Nasdaq didn't close in our box. I'm going to wait for a little bit of a retest on the dirty. Where are the retest points? Retest point number 1, retest point number 2. Okay. Let's see if we're going to get that trampoline effect going. Retest for gold down here. You don't want it to break this. If it's breaking this, that's only a fake out. Okay. Put on a line. Remember, if we happen to break this, boom, push, 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 we're going to test out demand. Look at that. Remember, that is a retest point. Okay? Made my pips today. Congratulations, Karthik FX. Good for you, brother. Okay, gold's starting to drop back down. Good stuff, man. Congratulations. Right, I'm in on this guy. Okay, small position. Um, Nothing too big. Just $10 a pip. Okay, because I'm looking to trade small today. $10 a pip, and I'm gonna try and test out that zone of demand. I'm gonna change this up to break even. I'm running by 10 pips on this. Okay, 33660.1. Okay, break even stop loss. Break even stop loss for me on the US 30. Good morning, Alpha D Gen. Too much indecision on NASDAQ. Okay, I got stopped out. I got stopped out on the US 30. That's two break even trades for me today. All that tells me is Mark, or Cram, whatever you guys call me, take it easy. All right, there's no need to be getting into any trades if you don't absolutely feel the need to. Okay, everything is very choppy. Yes, it is space. Okay, so I am okay without taking a trade on a particular day because I would rather live to see tomorrow. Okay, I don't want to be losing my account. I don't want to be doing anything of that sort. Yep, I think we have PPI tomorrow. If I'm not wrong, I think it's tomorrow. Yeah. Okay. And anyway, I see people starting to leave the stream because naturally there's not too much happening. That's understandable. You all don't have to stick around for that long. I myself get bored when when these markets do what they do in this choppy manner. Okay. So I'm going to quickly talk about the stuff that we're offering to you guys right now. Okay. Number one, and the newest addition to what we're doing here at Forex are the private sessions. It doesn't matter if you're an OG, it doesn't matter if you've done the one on ones with me, it doesn't matter if, oh fuck, look at US 30, they're really starting to drop. I should have held my position. Sorry, you guys, give me a second. I am distracted. Exactly, Pooja, Ravi. Exactly. That's why I'm okay not getting in on this because at least I have my account that's safe. You know what I mean? There'll always be another trade to take. Okay, but did anyone bank on that? Because that's a beautiful drop. Clean move on the dirty. 74 pips on the retest rejection. 30 pips. Good stuff. Liquidate positions. Okay, guys, liquidate. Yes, private sessions. Private sessions. Okay, so it doesn't matter if you guys have done the one on ones. Hop on. There's going to be something for everyone. Yes, we're also going to be talking about the things that you guys probably need to brush up again. But if not, we're going to be doing those workshops as well. Okay, like I said, we're going to pick up a topic every week, break it down, talk about it. You guys talk about it. And this is not just going to be me talking like the streams, these are going to be interactive sessions. So trust me when I say this. As good as having a session completely customized for you in depth is, sometimes you need some other people that think like you to help you out in these markets as well. Okay, so it's on right now. The registration is open, right, Milzone? So please go ahead, join up. And my suggestion to you is listen, in the next, well, I'm not going to put a timeline, but soon this is going to become a very elite group with only a core team that is actually trading live and making money, and it's going to be a premium. Okay, what I'd recommend you to do is if you have the money lying around, if you want to continue to learn from us just like you've learned with us for the past year, take on the annual subscription. You guys will end up saving so much of money, and you'll thank yourself 3 months later when we're going to be charging people 1,000 a month. I'm not even kidding about that. Okay? Be smart, preserve your money, and you'd rather invest that money into your own accounts. Which brings me to the second news. We have, well, You guys know it, all right? The smart reports, we've been talking about it. If you guys are interested, so I grew up with someone from one of the biggest that works at one of the biggest brokers in the UAE. I'm not going to give names because it's not official as yet, but um, we have basically cracked a deal with them in order for us to pivot from scalping to even the longer time frame. Okay, so we're going to be giving you guys our analysis on the 60-minute time frame, and it's not just for Nasdaq, US 30, or gold. Okay, you guys want me to give you all a quick run through of the pairs that you're going to get the analysis for through the day? Give me a second. I'm going to tell you guys right now. All right, so today's report has gold, silver, US oil, UK oil, EU, GU, UJ, US 30, the S&P 500, Nasdaq, DAX, the Japanese index, the UK 100, the Euro index, EU 50, and USD Chef, USD CAD, AUD USD, NCD USD, GBP JPY, and it keeps going on and on. And to top it all up, we've also thrown in some Bitcoin and ETH. Okay, so we are giving you guys a lot of stuff. Now is the time. How to register? Just message Cash Effects, and she will take care of it. Okay, we're still dropping. Anyone in on these trades, either US 30 or Nasdaq, because they're both pushing. Look at that. Boom. Break that high. We're pushing up to supply. Should make a wrap on that. Anything for beginners? Absolutely. The private sessions are there. The one-on-one sessions are there. Whatever it is that you need. These are two completely different products that you need to figure out what works better for you. Okay. Okay. Look at Nasdaq, man. Anyone in on Nasdaq? Anyone making that moolah? Anyone in? Waiting for the sweet close? Yes, sir. I am not in on anything. I'm just watching. I'm not in on anything. Okay. Nice little drop, man. US 30 gave y'all multiple confirmation, you guys. Confirmation number one, confirmation number two. If we now close below this demand, we're gonna successfully look at that. Retest this as supply. I love it. Okay. Got some low impact euro news that just came out. What do y'all think? Is Nasdaq filling that zone of supply? Okay. Where's the next level that we're gonna most likely push down to? Right there. Okay, gold's being super freaking choppy, man. Look at that. Extreme chop on gold. US 30. Nasdaq closed. Wick fill possible, but too choppy for me. Watch for US 30, guys. This looks so much better. Okay. Retest level 1, retest level 2. Okay, and of course, that entry point, sweet entry point right there is your retest. Boom! They're still dropping. They're still freaking dropping. Okay, let's see. I'm not liking the flicks on the US 30 right now. Is anyone in on this from the top, you guys? Anyone in from the top? 100 pips? One-on-ones, I expect y'all to be taking these clean-ass moves. Okay? I'm not liking the divergence that's coming in on gold. Okay? We can most certainly start a push up from there. We just need to break that. We need enough momentum to break past that. Retest level number 2. We break this, the move's done. Okay, start considering that. Start considering this a trend reversal. Gold will push into the zone. It's trying to right now, buddy. Wait for it to close. Wait for it to give you a nice retest, and boom. But it's not closing so far. You see what I mean? All right, guys. Do we have any questions? I'm not gonna stay for news. Again, I haven't really taken any trades today. Haven't really made anything. But if you guys have, congratulations. But I'm not feeling these markets today as much. You know what I mean? So I'd rather wait, not force anything, find the right opportunity in the next maybe couple of minutes or couple of hours, and then hop on. Okay, so do we have any questions about anything that we've spoken about, you guys? And again, for the private sessions, check the announcements. Go ahead and book up. It's going to be very, very limited because, like I said, we're literally starting with 5 people on a session. Okay, so it's up to y'all, but now's the time. Okay, so we have those. We have the one-on-one sessions. If you guys are interested, go ahead and message Cash or on the general chat, and she will fill you in. And last but not the least, if you guys are interested in a 1:2000 leverage, and if you guys want to get access to the smart reports that all of us here at Forex are working on, then go ahead and message on the general chat, and Cash will take care of you guys. Okay. Thank you guys so much. I think we don't have any questions, so I'm good to call it a session. Thank you all. I really appreciate it. YouTube, Zoom, stay back. I'm going to end YouTube and come back. Um, YouTube, take it easy. I will see you all tomorrow, London and New York. I'm Mark, aka Krem, and my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, YouTube. Cheers.